Hello friends, today we will discuss ordinary demand curves and compensated demand curves. Demand curves represent the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity demanded by consumers. There are two types of demand curves. First is ordinary demand curve, which is also known as Marshallian demand curve. The ordinary or Marshallian demand curve shows the quantity of a good a consumer demands at different prices, assuming the consumer's income and prices of other goods remain constant. We can understand with an example. Suppose a consumer wants to buy mangoes. If the price of mangoes falls from 100 rupees per kg to 80 rupees, consumer might buy more mangoes, say from 2 kg to 3 kg, assuming the consumer's income and price of other fruits is remaining the same. So we can understand with graph also. Price is shown on y-axis, quantity on x-axis. The curve slopes downward, which indicates that there is inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. The other is compensated demand curve, that is also known as Hicksian demand curve. The compensated demand curve shows the quantity of a good demanded when the price changes, but the consumer's real income, that is utility level, is adjusted or compensated to keep satisfaction constant. This curve isolates the substitution effect only, removing the income effect from analysis. We can understand from an example. Suppose the price of mangoes drops from rupees 100 to rupees 80 per kg for mangoes. The consumer's real income increases due to lower prices, allowing them to buy more because it is now 80 rupees per kg. But in a compensated scenario, we reduce the consumer's income by just enough so that they cannot increase their total utility, only switch goods based on new relative prices. So if the consumer still chooses more mangoes after compensation, it's due only to substitution effect. In graphical representation, this demand curve also slopes downward but usually steeper than ordinary demand curve. The slope of this demand curve is steeper than the ordinary demand curve, which shows only substitution effect, excluding the income effect. So there is the difference, ordinary demand curve and compensated demand curve. Ordinary demand curve is based on actual demand at given income.